What? Got Julian in the cut. Brandon. We're gonna do Brandon's oil change. Oil filter.
Try not to get like your hair in it or whatever.
Oh yeah. Damn. So we're gonna go. We gotta go pick up the oil too. So we're gonna go to Walmart ASAP. So we just got here. Which one is it? Which oil? See, we got
look for 0 W16.
0 W16. Who the fuck is calling me? Ricky's calling me? Yo.
Hey, Papi Nalgon. Hey, Papi Nalgon, how you doing?
This nigga. Nah, it is Brandon.
It's Julian. Hey, Brandon, he told you to shut the fuck up. He told you to shut the fuck up, and you're skinny.
Hey, tell Brandon if Brandon's there, tell him I said shut the fuck up.
Hey, Brandon, come here. I have something important to you.
I'm gonna do it for the one time. Full coming. Yeah, yo, the gang. You feel me? Out here at Walmart, fitter than a hoe, fitter than a hoe. Bro, your shit was David look. That was funny as fuck.
Do you want to put your rims?
What? You finally got it?
That's not even the right one.
Oh, that's a 20. I was at work and this girl's breath stink, right?
Oh.
And the whole time I was thinking, I'm like, what if it was this guy? And I'm like, that shit was playing in my head. I'm like, what if it was this coworker? And then I'm like, oh, what if it was this girl? And cause she has a boyfriend, I'm like, what if she sucked his dick this morning? And I was like, still pain.
There he is.
Brandon got the wrong oil.
It's not reaching. It's not
Watch
reaching.
it not work. Don't.
No, there's benches. There's chairs over here.
So we're at Brandon's crib. He's gonna do the oil change. He does not have a jack. He's gonna use a piece of wood. He's gonna trust a piece of wood to lift it. That's crazy. Got Julian playing basketball. John. You know Brandon does not be hitting the gym. Got the whole setup. He's not working out. Come on.
Wait, you're good. Yeah, right here.
Yeah, catalytic converter. Yeah, that's something.
Literally, you snap.
That's an engine. Wow.
Hey, if you get squished, dog, what do you want me to do?
Gotta burn myself. Ooh, that's the washer fluid. It says it right there.
Bro, think you're gonna lift this fucking car? You know what to add? I forgot the fucking.
That's the air filter. Hold up, this. See, like it says right here. I don't know why you didn't get the right one.
The intake. There you go.
It's the air filter, too.
You gotta unscrew this.
With the
and then pop this
Z's,
shit open.
with the Z's, you already can't. Or I mean, you can fit them on, but you would have to take off the front end and do some shit right here, cause they're like pointing this way. I'm ready to work. Shit, who's doing all the work? Not me. We got the chair to be on standby. I'm that friend that's not gonna do shit. No, I'm kidding. I will. I mean, it's not that hard. Brandon can do it himself, but if he wants help, I'm here.
If he wants help, you mean if he's gonna need help?
If he needs help, I'm chilling.
It's just like putting the exhaust on again.
Oh, the exhaust, that was all him. I tried to help
I
you.
did nothing.
For real.
That's your strong hand, huh?
No. I'm just.
Imagine it comes off the wood.
I wouldn't be pulling on that shit when it's already up. Alex's car?
I know.
Mostly did Alex's car?
Oh, what? It's because my dad knows his shit.
Oh, I thought
I hardly know anything.
we gotta learn.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, see, it's right here.
Pins up.
Oh. Hey, is that like the cover for it? So shit doesn't get under it?
No, let's see
Where
it.
you holding?
Think so.
This, yeah.
We're good. That's kind of what Alex had.
Better come out.
How come you got?
Oh, it looks good from here.
Wait. My heart's beating.
Oh, there you go.
Oh, I still got some on me.
Ah,
Dang it. Oh, I can't lose that washer.
nasty oil. This is dark as hell, fool.
That's what I said.
Congratulations, Brandon. You made a nut.
I made my car squirt.
Yo,
Wait.
the only thing you can make squirt.
And it was black. My dad kept telling me, "Nah, you're good. You're good."
Fuck no, that's just black as
Yeah,
hell.
I know. You see it, huh?
This is
Like-
black. It looks like Venom from fucking Spider-Man.
That's accurate. That's accurate. Yeah.
I'm just the cameraman for today.
So you just gotta let it drip out.
Oh. See it coming out. Todd. It's a call for Baymax. Nope. Julian got it.
Jillian got it.
Yo.
This is why we brought you.
Now, or you put the oil filter on already. I did not record it, but last one you got a big one.
We had the option to have one of the big ones and chose the smallest one.
Oh my god.
You're gonna have to hold that.
You wanna hold it?
No.
Oh, I can hold it.
Get
Actually.
it. Oh wait. All right, sit there. This for everybody spill it.
Oh,
Fool.
why is it going like?
It's because the way you're holding it, dog.
Oh, hold on.
on.
It's because you have a small filter. If you had a bigger filter, you could have put it like all in one. But since it backs up,
Do you not have a bigger one, Brandon? He needs a bigger funnel cake. This fool.
fool.
Bro.
I told you it's because of the backdrop. You have to go by portion by portion. Fool, you know how much money that is?
If you had a bigger one, then you could have done
If you
it.
had a funnel like I told you to buy.
Yeah. Just go slowly.
Yeah. Keep it steady.
There you
There you go. Oh shoot. Oh, Mikey, you want to check under? Check under, see if it's
It's leaking?
It's not leaking.
go. Nah, you good.
Nowhere.
Or at least I think. Stress about.
Oh.
I'm kidding.
It's not leaking. You would have heard it.
Yeah. You would have heard.
You would have heard drips. It would have been like.
Yo. You the thumbnail? For Brandon's video? Nah, it's my video. And you got the wrong oil too. Let's see how this works out.
Does it start?
Blows up.
Catches on fire.
Nah, it should be
Hey,
fine.
fool, I would clean that, by the way.
Yeah,
How
no.
are you?
Yeah.
I'll clean it before.
Alright guys, so I did not film perfect outro for the video. But pretty much, yeah, we did Brandon's oil change. We got that shit done. The end of the video. If you guys enjoyed, if you guys want more car content, it's gonna keep rolling, you know. Soon we're gonna get our own cars. We're planning on doing a Yosemite trip. I might put that on the video, maybe. Still trying to keep it secret. But yeah, we're just trying to get our cars first, and that's when we're gonna start uploading more of our own cars. But for now, what we got is what we got, so we're gonna work with that. Stay tuned for the next video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.
I beat the pussy up.